How to make an appointment. An appointment is an arrangement to meet someone at a specific time, a particular time, a certain time. For example, we make appointments to see a doctor. We make appointments to see a dentist or a lawyer or a hairstylist. So let's see how we can call in advance to make an appointment. Here is an example conversation. Okay, so usually when you call ahead, the person who picks up the phone is called the receptionist. Okay, I will read this conversation and you can listen along. Thank you for calling Dr. Gates' office. How may I help you? Hi, I'd like to make an appointment. Sure. Have you been to our office before? No, this would be my first time. Okay. May I have your name? Sure, it's Douglas. Okay, Douglas. Let's see. Would Friday at 9 a.m. work for you? Do you have something sooner, like on Wednesday? Just a moment. Let me see. Okay, how about Wednesday at 1:30 p.m.? Okay, that works. Great. I have you down for Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. We look forward to seeing you soon. Same here. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. You too. Bye. Okay, so this is just one of many examples of how you can make an appointment and what kind of questions would be asked. Now, let's try to role play and see if you can do the same. So just like before, I will be I will read the gray lines, and you can read the green lines. Okay, ready? Go. Thank you for calling Dr. Gates' office. How may I help you? Sure. Have you been to our office before? Okay. May I have your name? Okay, Douglas. Would Friday at 9:15 a.m. work for you? Okay, just a moment. Let me see. Okay, how about Wednesday at 1:30 p.m.? Great. I have you down for Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. We look forward to seeing you soon. Have a nice day. Bye. Okay, so for some of you, this may have been a little too fast. For some of you, it may have been okay. If it was a little too fast for you, just go back and listen to the recording again and just practice as much as you can. Now remember, this is just one example of a conversation. But really, the most important line that you have to remember is really this one. Hi, I'd like to make an appointment. Okay? So when you call and someone picks up the phone and asks you, how may I help you? Which is pretty much the most common question that people ask, how may I help you? You just have to say, hi, I'd like to make an appointment. And from there, the receptionist will ask you several other questions like, what is your name? What is the best time for you? And so on. Okay? All right. So, quiz time. How may I help you? If a receptionist asks you, how may I help you? How do you answer? In 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. That's right. Hi, I'd like to make and what? An appointment. That's right. So one more time. If a receptionist picks up the phone and asks, how may I help you? You just say, hi, I'd like to make an appointment.